siguro pinapainit yung mga baby sa labas. Like, every morning like that. So, kapag merong ganitong, may mga ganitong signs dun sa baby, syempre, we should always manage yung conditions. And then, if wala naman, this is, within 90 minutes. Within 90 minutes. So, after 24 hours, yan, dito na. Ang pangit. 24 hours. I don't need your telegram. So, after 24 hours or kapag naka 24 hours na siya, before the discharge to. So, we need to provide counseling. Double L ba ang counseling? Yes. Counseling and discharge. So, kapag if normal delivery, nadi-discharge sila within 24 hours if wala namang any complications pa. But if it's cesarean delivery, so they can stay up 2 to 3 days sa hospital. Yan. Kapag, clarification. If normal delivery, it can be discharged by 1 to 2 days. And if cesarean delivery, 2 to 3 days before the discharge. So, it's not advisable to discharge the mother before 24 hours after birth. So, kapag normal, 1 to 3 days, and C-section or cesarean delivery, 2 to 3 days. Yan. So, ang breastfeeding is for at least 6 months. Oh, what happened? Why is it so blurred? Really? Oh my gosh. Did you translate it in Tagalog? Next is so 6 months. That's my notes. And no one leaves. Why is it blurred?